Good morning, I'm Daniel Van Gundy, Safety Manager for Loven Contracting. This week's Toolbox Talk is on everyone's favorite topic, personal protective equipment, or PPE. PPE is a wide variety of gear designed to protect workers from environmental, chemical, or mechanical hazards encountered daily on the job site. PPE includes protection for the eyes, face, head, extremities, respiratory system, and body through protective clothing, barriers, and shields. It serves as the last line of defense against workplace hazards when other safety measures are insufficient. It's essential to recognize that hazard control such as elimination and substitution or engineering solutions should be prioritized first. These can be guards, ventilations, etc. PPE is the final safeguard to keep you safe and healthy. Per OSHA regulations, the employer is responsible for assessing the workplace hazards and providing appropriate PPE to their employees and ensuring employees are trained on proper use. So, if you need PPE, request it from your employer. Loven Contracting is not responsible to provide its trade partners with PPE, such as safety glasses. Speaking of safety glasses, eye protection is required at all times on all Loven Contracting job sites. As soon as you step on site, make sure your safety glasses are on. Safety glasses or goggles must be ANSI rated and include side shields. Don't use tinted outdoor style safety glasses indoors. You can't see. If you wear prescription glasses, you must use ANSI rated prescription safety glasses with side shields or wear over the glasses safety covers. Simple prescription glasses or readers do not provide adequate protection. Face shields are mandatory for grinding, cutting, welding, and pumping mortar, grout, or concrete. Safety glasses must still be worn under most face shields. Additional tasks may require different face protection. Consult your Job Hazard Analysis, or JHA, for specific details. ANSI-rated hard hats are required at all times on all Loven Contracting job sites. Loven Contracting has made the switch to the ANSI-rated Type 2 hard hats with a chin strap. This adds protection and protects from same-level trip falls. The hard hat will always stay on your head. Hard hats must be in good condition, properly worn, not worn backwards, and not be physically modified in any way. For foot protection, sturdy, well-maintained work boots are required on all Loven Contracting job sites at all times. Worn-out boots can create slip, trip, and fall hazards. They need to have good traction. Tennis shoes or sneakers, Crocs, I know you're disappointed, are not allowed. Gloves are required for most tasks, including cutting materials, handling sharp objects, and using hand tools. However, gloves should not be worn around rotating or removing machinery, as they can get caught and pull your hands into the equipment. Respiratory PPE is required for specific tasks where airborne contaminants such as silica dust or chemical vapors pose hazards to your health. Most respirators require fit testing and training to ensure proper use and protection, adequate sealing, and your ability to wear a respirator and work at the same time. It is up to your employer to determine if you need to use a respirator and if fit testing applies to you. Dust masks should be used as deemed by Table 1 during certain silica dust producing activities and when other hazard controls such as ventilation or water suppression are unavailable. Refer to your JHA and Table 1 or our other safety videos on silica for task-specific respiratory requirements or consult someone like me. Workers must wear long pants and sleeved shirts. Tank tops are not permitted, but t-shirts are okay. Your pants should be made of a resistant material such as canvas-like materials or denim. Even if it's a 4 a.m. concrete pour, don't show up in PJs or sweatpants. The outermost layer of clothing must be high visibility apparel such as a vest, shirt, or jacket to ensure worker visibility on all job sites in all job conditions. This includes even when working indoors. PPE is an important but overlooked subject. Make sure you're always wearing your safety glasses and other PPE items. Remember, PPE is the last line of defense for hazards around the job site. That concludes this week's Toolbox Talk. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please reach out to Loven Contracting. Have a great day and stay safe.